How to fix Rainbow Six Siege error code 3-0x000C0054 on Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, set preferred DNS server as 8.8.8.8 and alternate DNS server as 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then OK to confirm the change. Select Allow an app through Windows Firewall. On the Allowed Apps page, click Change Settings. Select Allow another app. If that didn't work,